Okay, see question number 24. An ordered pair alpha comma beta, that means values of alpha beta we have to find in ordered pair, answers also they are given in ordered pair form. Okay, for which the system of linear equations 1 plus alpha into x plus beta y plus z is equal to 2. See, alpha beta they have given. Okay, which values and all you have to find. Second equation, alpha x plus 1 plus beta into y plus z is equal to 3. Alpha x plus beta y plus 2z is equal to 2 has a unique solution. Unique solution means what? What we know unique solution means? Rank of A should be equal to rank of AD and also should be equal to 3. That means rank A also should become 2, 3, rank AD also should become 3. Then only unique solution will come. This we know. That means determinants, both determinants should not become equal to 0. Okay? Let us see what will happen at all. Okay, see, first of all I am writing the matrix A. Okay, matrix A, 1 plus alpha beta 1. Okay, alpha 1 plus beta 1, alpha beta 2. Okay, first let me find the determinant of this one, A. Okay, comma I am keeping. Determinant of A is equal to 1 plus alpha into, okay, see, 2 plus 2 beta. Okay, 2 plus 2 beta minus beta. Minus beta into 2 alpha minus alpha. Okay, again plus 1 into alpha beta minus alpha minus alpha beta. Okay, okay, let us find. See, step by step we will find. 1 plus alpha you keep like this only, but you see 2 beta minus beta is beta. That means see 2 plus beta minus 2 alpha minus alpha is alpha minus beta into alpha plus see plus alpha beta minus alpha beta will cancel out. Passive will not come. Minus alpha will come directly. Minus alpha. Okay. And one more thing we have to do here. That is equal to see 2 plus beta plus 2 alpha plus alpha beta minus alpha beta minus alpha. See plus alpha beta minus alpha beta we cancel out. 2 you keep like this only. See beta is there and 2 alpha minus alpha is alpha. That means see 2 plus alpha plus beta. See this is determinant of A. Determinant of A. You keep it aside. Why? Because let us see augmented matrix determinant also. Both should come equal to 3. Then only unique solution will come. That means naturally this is equal to 3 should come. At what values will come and all? Let me see. Why? Because the same value it has to come at augmented matrix also. Let us see. Augmented matrix AD also I am writing. See this column I want to remove 1 plus alpha, or else shall I remove this one? No, I will remove this one. See beta 1 plus beta and beta 1 1 2 and third column is what? 2 3 2. Okay, 2 3 2 coefficient. Okay, now see determinant of AD is equal to beta into, see 2 minus 6 minus 1 into 2 minus 6 minus 1 into, see 2 plus 2 beta minus 3 beta plus 2 into see 2 plus 2 beta again minus beta. Okay. Now proceed further. See, 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Minus 4 beta. And see, minus 2 first you write. Minus 2. 2 beta minus 3 beta. Minus beta. But outside minus is there. Plus beta. Okay. Here also you see, 2 beta minus beta is beta. First 2 into 2, 4. Minus plus beta. 2 beta minus beta plus beta. 2 beta. Outside 2 is there. 2 beta plus 2 beta. Okay. That is equal to. See. Beta plus 2 beta. 3 beta minus 4 beta. Minus beta. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus beta. Okay. See, this is your determinant of AD. Here alpha is not there, but there alpha, beta both are there. Now, you go one by one. You go one by one. And thing is, determinant should not become 0. Then only rank will come 3. Here also rank when it comes 3, determinant should not become 0. Then rank is going to become 3. Here also determinant should not become 0. Overall determinant should not become 0. Then rank is going to become 3. Both should come same manner. Okay, now see 2 plus alpha plus beta at 1 minus 3 is equal to, see, 2 plus 1 minus 3. That is equal to 3 minus 3, 0. 0 means again rank is going to become less than 3. That means this option has gone. Okay, at least for one gone means gone. That's why, because both should match. Now go for this one. At minus 3 comma 1. First of all, you see, implies determinant of A is equal to, okay, 2 plus alpha minus 3 plus beta plus 1. See, 3 minus 3, 0. Again, this also gone. Why? Because 0 should not become. 0, if it becomes automatically, what is going to happen? Rank is going to become less than 3. Rank if less than 3 means unique solution will not come. Infinitely many solution may come. Okay? Forget. Now go for third. See, at 2 comma 4 implies determinant A is equal to, see, 2 plus alpha means 2 plus beta means 4. That means 8. 8 is not equal to 0. That means directly rank of A is 3. Okay. Same rank 3 should come for augmented matrix also. Let us see. For AD, that is equal to, see, 2 minus beta. 2 minus beta means here what? 4. That is equal to minus 2. This is also not equal to 0. That means the rank of AD also 3. Both are equal to 3. Both are equal and equal to 3. Unique solution will come. This will be your answer. That means C24 is your answer. Okay. Now we stop this class. See, we have done 2019 up to several questions. Next, what we are going to do? 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. At least 4 questions we will do each. Okay. Total 16 questions are going to become 24 plus 16. 40 questions are enough for what I feel. Okay. Let us meet in the next class.